Hello everyone, welcome to our first series and edition of a store tour of Orisons. I welcome you all today as I got a lot of DMs, lot of messages that you want to see all three of my stores, that how we have arranged our sections, what all we are having in these sections. So in depth today in this video I'll be showcasing you everything. So let's get started with the first section, which is a complete, this section we comprise of entire fresh section which comprises of fabrics, unstitched fabrics in terms of chanderi, silks, cottons, everything. Means whatever the fresh articles we get on weekly basis, we display it accordingly. This is the complete, this season we have entire demand is of completely, you can say, cottons, so mostly it's with cottons and chanderis. Switching on to the next section, we have this section is complete party wear range. This starts with 5,000 and above, which comprises of gararas, shararas, semi-sit suits, and with georgettes, chiffons and silk touch into it. As you can see, the displays are also arranged in those sections as well. Like this is the heavy bridal suit piece, you can say unstitched suit piece, Lucknowi chicken fabric, semi-formal fabric with heavy dupatta. So this is the entire section for you can make for trousseaux also. Girls who want trousseau heavy party wear suits for their functions, we go with this range. Next section we have, this section is completely of chanderis. This is entire chanderi range. Chanderi with muslins, these are of muslins, these are muslins, a bit of cotton heavy we have added, and this is all chanderi articles. As you can see, this is your routine and day-to-day concept. As you can see in display, this season we have launched a lot of ikat prints, booties, motifs. This is very hot selling articles of ours with 4 to 5 colors. Switching on to next section, we have is of cotton. This section is completely of cotton range. Cottons, daily routine cottons with the catalog items, or you can say with a lot of prints, necklines. And if I see, we have a lot of catalog things into it, and cotton party wear. This is like with threads, mirrors. This is also into that concept. So this section is completely of cotton. Switching on to next section, this is the switching on to the next section. This section we have completely designed and crafted with lehengas. These are unstitched fabric lehengas for engagement and the bridal concept. For bridal, I must say, we take orders on appointment basis. Like we have selected articles for bridals. These are maroons and mustard yellows. Wines are for bridal purpose. The above section comprises of the engagement or your roka party function. So this is the one section, the complete section for your unstitched lehengas. If you want to get it stitched, we have in-house unit as well. So we do that stuff as well. Switching on to the next section, from here we are starting with the complete range of sari. As I show you in a video, this is the 4 sections we have of sari. I just help you with, I want you to turn the camera and show the complete section of sari. These 4 sections are completely designed and crafted in terms of sari. Coming up with this section, the first section of sari is complete heavy and bridal and semi-bridal concept. We have organza, chiffon, silks, nets into it. So this is the range starting from 10k, 8 to 10. This is the range with heavy party wear saris. Next we have, this section is completely designed into silk saris. These are silk heavy saris. These 2 sections we have kept heavy. This is a mixed with organzas, with georgettes and chiffons. This is completely crafted into silk. The booties, heavy silk saris, ikat prints, you can say silk borders, Banarsi silks, temple borders, south silks, and so on. Switching on to the next section, we are having, this is a complete section of upper portion is of silk, summer silk. We have added chiffons and the georgettes and khadi prints in the round. This is like your day-to-day routine section. Like this is your semi-formal section. Those who want to wear plain saris with borders, we have those also. So this is like your routine stuff. Next section, which is the last section of sari. The above three section comprises of heavy saris in silk, which are in terms of borders, which have different booties and floral prints, which are having bird prints into it, which is very in. For this, I'll be showcasing, giving you a complete video how it is. Next, we have Kota Doria, linens, cottons. So this is the complete section for routine wear. Switching on to the next area, which we have, this is, you must be saying, what are these? These are heavy party wear gowns, which are completely into these covers. I can help you with one or two of them. Like this is the beautiful gown, pista green gown with pure zircons, a ruffle gown. So these are these concepts. This is an exclusive range of our, this is a signature collection of Orisans, which is displayed into this section, which have heavy gowns and anarkalis, which are ready-made concept. Switching on to the next section, this is a complete ready-made. Ready-made, I talk about, these are stitch concepts. You just need to get it alter from us or anywhere. So this is the heavy range of gowns and anarkalis. These are all anarkalis, 1, 2, 3. Jacket print, you can say jacket top and a skirt, which is very in. These are that concepts. And bottom we have anarkalis. As you can see in this place, we have showcased two of our Garara concepts, one in bright and one in pastel. So this is into georgettes, and this is also in georgettes, and the bottom is into silk. Switching on to the next section, we are having is of anarkalis and gowns. This complete section is your routine or daily wear concept. Those who want to go for housewarming party, or you have kitties, or you have birthdays, or any occasions which is very light. So this is particularly designed for them. We have ready-made saris also. These are saris which are stitched. So these are ready-made ones. That's why we have kept it into this section. These are silk Banarsi gowns with the printed dupatta, which is very in this season, and bit of anarkali. So this comes into your routine section. Switching on to the next section, we are having is of gararas, shararas, anarkalis, which is completely stitched. Basically, this is entire section of long shararas and anarkalis. As you can see, multiples. This is gararas, garara sets, shararas, garara sets. So this is beautifully done. Heavy section for gararas and shararas exclusively. And you can see in the bottom portion, we are having these dupattas. This section we have made, as I said you, we have unstitched fabric for lehenga. So those who want to get it stitched from us and you want to customize your dupatta, double dupatta, so this section is divided for your dupattas. Switching on to the next section, we are having, this is also complete ready-made section of crop top with skirt. As I told you, we have fabric of lehengas, which is need to get it stitched, but this concept is completely stitched. It's a top and a skirt which is stitched, which is ready-made. This is only need to get altered. This is a mixed section from lighter crop tops to heavier ones. The upper ones are lighters and bottom ones are heavy crop top with skirts like gota pattis. This is into silks, threads, and zari work, which is very in. Nets are very in, ruffle nets are there. So this section is completely that. And coming up into western, as I was having a lot of queries that do we have western or not. Yes, we have, but in a limited section. These are ready-made tops, exclusive tops. Coming to this section, we are having a ready-made kurtis with size. These are in-house production kurtis, which are with my brand name only. So these are with sizes. These are cottons, chanderis, and so on. So this was it for our entire tour of you can say sector 15 store, which I personally sit here. I do my personal sitting on appointment basis. As I showed you from what sections we are having, what all things we are having. So I say it's one stop for all your occasions. We have western, Indo-western, to ready-made crop tops, to gowns, to anarkalis, to heavy party wear fabrics, to cotton range. So from daily to multiple occasions, we are there for you. At the back side of the doors of the doors is our production unit. So this is the entire setup, particularly designed as per the location, as per the clients which we are day to day having in sector 15 Faridabad. So this is it for our first video and tour of sector 15 store. You'll be getting stores, Crown Interiors and MGF flagship stores video out soon guys. Thank you and have a nice day.